Hey viewers, I hope everyone is fine. Today I am gonna explain 2 BHK house plan in 890 square feet. So viewers, this is basically our floor plan. This is our front side. This is our back side. Our back side and front side, this direction distance is 27 feet. This is our right side. This is our left side. Our left side and right side, this direction distance is 33 feet. Overall, our floor plan is 27 feet by 33 feet. If we talk about square feet, it's around 890 square feet. So viewers, this is basically our main entry. Using this main entry, we will reach here. And this is our drawing and dining room. Here, our drawing and dining room combined. We have this direction 23 feet 5 inch and this direction 13 feet 5 inch. Overall, our drawing and dining room 23 feet 5 inch by 13 feet 5 inch. Also, our drawing and dining room has one window. This is our window. So you can understand this is basically our dining table, and here this is basically our sofa set. So our sofa set left side, you can understand here also we have our staircase. So this is our staircase. Viewers, you can understand the direction. Using this direction we will reach our up floor. So if we go ahead, we can understand this is basically our open space. Here we have open space, this direction 9 feet 7 inch and this direction 7 feet 4 inch. Overall, our open space is 9 feet 7 inch by 7 feet 4 inch. Also, our open space right side, we have here our D2 door. D2 door basically we are using our bathroom, kitchen, balcony. D2 door measurement is 2 feet 6 inch. Using this D2 door, we will reach here. And this is our common toilet. We have this direction 8 feet and this direction 3 feet 6 inch. Overall, our common toilet is 8 feet by 3 feet 6 inch. So we get back just our this open space, and we can understand our left side also we have here our D2 door. Using this D2 door we will reach here. This is our kitchen room. We have this direction 8 feet, this direction 7 feet 4 inch. Overall, our kitchen room is 8 feet by 7 feet 4 inch. Also, our kitchen room has one window, and this is our this window. So we get back our open space. After, we can understand here right side we have our D1 door. Also left side we have our another D1 door. First of all, we will explain our right side this door. So basically this is D1 door. We are using our bedroom door. So D1 door measurement is 3 feet 4 inch. Using this D1 door we will reach here, and this is basically our bedroom 1. So we have this direction 13 feet and this direction 11 feet. Overall, our bedroom 1 is 13 feet by 11 feet. So viewers, you can understand our this bedroom 1 13 feet by 11 feet. Also our bedroom 1 has 2 window. This is our one window and this is our another window. Also our bedroom 1 has attached toilet. If we want to go our attached toilet, basically we have to use this D2 door. Using this D2 door we will reach here, and this is basically attached toilet with this bedroom 1. So we have this direction 8 feet, this direction 3 feet 6 inch. Overall, our attached toilet is 8 feet by 3 feet 6 inch. So viewers, you can understand this is basically our attached toilet with this bedroom 1, and this is our common toilet. If I describe like difference between our attached toilet and our common toilet, both are same. You can understand this direction is attached toilet 8 feet, also common toilet 8 feet. This direction 3 feet 6 inch, also attached toilet 3 feet 6 inch. Overall, attached toilet is 8 feet by 3 feet 6 inch, also common toilet 8 feet by 3 feet 6 inch. So we just get back our bedroom 1. Again we get back our this open space. After, using this D1 door we will reach here, and this is our bedroom 2. So we have this direction 13 feet and this duration 11 feet. Overall, our bedroom 2 is 13 feet by 11 feet. Also, our bedroom 2 has 2 windows. This is basically one window and this is another window. So viewers, you can understand our bedroom 2 is 13 feet by 11 feet. If I compare our bedroom 2 and bedroom 1, so you can understand bedroom 1 is 13 feet by 11 feet. Also bedroom 2 is 13 feet by 11 feet. Also bedroom 2 has 2 windows. Also bedroom 1 has 2 windows. But bedroom 2 hasn't any attached toilet. Our bedroom 1 has one attached toilet. So viewers, if I give you little overview, just more understanding. So using this main entry, we will reach here, and this is our drawing and dining room. And drawing and dining room same place. We have also our staircase. After go ahead, here we have our open space. Our open space right side we have here our common toilet, and left side we have our kitchen. After this right side we have our bedroom 1. Also our bedroom 1 has one attached toilet. And this left side we have our bedroom 2, and our bedroom 2 hasn't any attached toilet. So overall what we are getting, this 890 square feet floor plan. So we have one drawing and dining and staircase same place. We have open space, 2 toilet, 1 toilet common, 1 attached, 2 bedroom, 1 kitchen. Now we will talk about cost. Cost definitely variable always, because it depends like your state, your location, your area, your soil capacity, your structural, and your demand, which kind of material you want to use. So everything like for reason, cost is variable. So cost is like 13 lakh rupees. So viewers, this cost 13 lakh rupees, and our floor plan is 890 square feet.